Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper plane. So here's what you want to do is you want to fold your piece of paper in half. Then fold two triangles. Okay? And then what you want to do next is fold two more triangles over those two triangles. After you do that, you want to fold it downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards, and then upwards again. So it looks like that. Okay? Now, fold that backwards. Fold it thus. Fold two ends. And voila! You're done. But I know what you're thinking. You said this is how to make a bird plane. Well, you are. There's the bird one. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's video. 3, 2, 1, bye.